Julian Marley lifestyle and net worth. Early life and background. Julian Ricardo Marley, born June 4, 1975, in London, England, is a renowned reggae musician and the son of reggae legend Bob Marley and Lucy Pounder. Growing up in a musical family, Julian was naturally drawn to music from a young age, learning to play multiple instruments, including the guitar, drums, bass, and keyboard. His exposure to both Jamaican and British cultures played a key role in shaping his artistic style, blending roots reggae with modern influences. Julian has maintained a spiritual connection to his Jamaican heritage despite being born in London. He was deeply inspired by his father's legacy and Rastafarian beliefs, which have influenced his lifestyle and music throughout his career. Julian Marley leads a lifestyle deeply rooted in Rastafarian principles, emphasizing spiritual growth, natural living, and cultural pride. He embraces a holistic approach to life, promoting peace, love, and unity in both his personal and professional endeavors. His commitment to the Rastafarian faith is evident in his music and daily practices, as he often advocates for justice, equality, and spiritual consciousness. He is also a strong advocate for wellness and natural living, supporting plant-based diets and the use of natural remedies for health and healing. His involvement in the cannabis industry aligns with his beliefs in the medicinal and spiritual benefits of the plant. Family is central to Julian's lifestyle. As a father, he values privacy and keeps his personal life largely out of the spotlight, focusing on raising his children with the same values instilled in him. His approach to life mirrors the simplicity and mindfulness associated with his Rastafarian faith. Beyond music, Julian is passionate about humanitarian causes. He often participates in charitable events and youth mentorship programs, using his platform to uplift marginalized communities, particularly in Jamaica. Music career. Julian Marley's music career took off in the mid-1990s when he released his debut album, Lion in the Morning, 1996. His sound, deeply rooted in reggae with elements of modern influences, quickly gained international recognition. The album reflected his Rastafarian faith and cultural pride, setting the stage for his future work. His second album, A Time and Place, 2003, showcased his versatility, blending reggae with elements of jazz and blues. Julian's 2009 album Awake earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album and featured hits like Boom Draw and Awake. Julian has also toured extensively, performing at major festivals worldwide, including the renowned Reggae Sumfest and California's Sierra Nevada World Music Festival. His performances emphasize unity and spiritual consciousness, staying true to his father's musical legacy while carving his own path. As of 2024, Julian Marley's net worth is estimated to be around $2 million. His wealth primarily comes from music sales, live performances, and royalties. He has also benefited from his involvement in the Marley family estate and the House of Marley brand, which includes headphones, speakers, and other lifestyle products inspired by his father's legacy. Julian Marley's financial success reflects not only his music career but also his entrepreneurial ventures and collaborations in the wellness and cannabis industries. His commitment to positive change, both through music and philanthropy, ensures his influence continues to grow globally. Legacy and influence. Julian Marley continues to honor his father's legacy while making a name for himself as a conscious reggae artist. His music, lifestyle, and philanthropic efforts make him a respected figure in the reggae world, inspiring future generations to embrace peace, love, and cultural pride.